over there.
That sucks. No, it's not.
What the hell is it?
Well, obviously it's sunlight, but it's not, you know, trying to come through. The sun's like way over there. It's just
Well, yeah, the sun's going down, but the light. Wooga!
I might have got that. I'm not sure. I was holding it right here, so.
I was like, wooda
Oh, I'm sorry, any Asians who are watching this video if we put it up on YouTube. I'm sorry. I do love Asian people because they're good at what they do.
You're just putting yourself more in a rut there.
Am I putting myself?
Yeah, you are.
Well, you know what? That's okay because no one knows who I am.
Oh my God.
I'm a racist white person.